Hi everyone, I'm Tintin and welcome back to my channel where I share cruise ship tips and advice to help you land your dream job at sea. If you've been thinking, I want to work on a cruise ship but I don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step process of applying for a cruise ship job from the Philippines, from choosing the right position to passing the interview, to preparing your documents. So grab a pen and paper because this will be packed with tips I wish I knew when I started. Step 1. Decide on your position. Before you even start preparing documents, you need to know which job fits your skills. Cruise ships have hundreds of positions, but they fall under main categories. First, hospitality roles includes housekeeping, restaurant staff, bartenders, reception, and galley kitchen. Second, specialized roles, nurses, IT staff, electricians, plumbers, security officers. And third, entertainment and guest services, singers, dancers, photographers, youth staff, and casino dealers. Tip: if you're unsure which role suits you, look at your past work experience and ask which of my skills can be transferred to ship life. Step 2. Gain relevant experience. Most cruise ship companies prefer applicants with at least 1 to 2 years of related experience. If you don't have it yet, work locally first. Hotels, restaurants, call centers, hospitals, anything builds your skills in customer service, teamwork, and communication. Even part-time or OJT can be a stepping stone. Remember, cruise ship life is demanding. They want to see you can handle pressure, work long hours, and deal with guests from all over the world. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Here's what you need before applying. First, valid passport, at least 2 years before expiration. Second, updated resume with a clear photo, work experience, and skills. Make it tailored to the cruise ship position you're applying for. Third, certificates. For example, TESDA NC2 in housekeeping, bartending, or cooking. PRC license for nurses, safety trainings for deck and engine jobs. Fourth, seafarer's book. For some position, you can apply without it, but once hired, you'll need it. And last, STCW training certificate. This covers safety at sea, firefighting, first aid, and survival. Some companies let you take this after you get hired. Others require it before application. Pro tip: keep both physical and scanned copies of your documents. Agencies often ask for soft copies for online application. Step 4. Apply through DMW accredited agencies. Never apply through random Facebook pages or unverified recruiters. Go to DMW or Department of Migrant Workers website and search for accredited agencies that hire for cruise ships. You can also check each cruise line's official careers page. Example, Magsaysay Maritime Corporation for Costa Cruises and Princess Cruises, United Philippine Lines or UPL for Holland America, CF Sharp for MSC, and Singa Ship Management for Norwegian Cruise Line. Always cross-check the job posting with the DMW site to avoid scams. Step 5. Nail the interview. Once your application is shortlisted, you'll be invited for an interview, either online or in person. Here's how to prepare. First, research the company and position you're applying for. Second, practice common cruise ship interview questions like, why do you want to work on a cruise ship and how do you handle difficult guests? Third, dress professionally even if it's online. And last, show confidence, smile, and speak clearly in English. Pro tip: cruise lines value personality and attitude just as much as skills. Step 6. After the job offer, congratulations if you pass the interview. You'll receive a job offer The next steps are, first, pre-employment medical examination to make sure you're fit for ship life. Second, STCW training if you're not yet done. Third, visa processing like C1D visa for US or Schengen visa for Europe. And last, contract signing. Check the duration, salary, benefits, and rotation schedule. This stage can take weeks to months depending on your position and deployment schedule. Working on a cruise ship is life-changing. You'll travel, earning US dollars, and meet people from all over the world. But it's not an overnight process. Be patient, prepare well, and always apply through legal channels. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise ship tips. Watch my next video where I share 10 common cruise ship interview questions and how to answer them. It's linked in the description and pinned comment. See you on the next one and safe sailing.